Now student, our 7th chapter is flying birds. Okay. So student, first write the date. Today's date is 3rd May 2021. All the students first write the date 3rd May 2021 and then write class work. See, our 7th chapter is flying birds. Some flying birds are given below. These are the different flying birds. See student. Unscramble the given letters to find the correct name of the given birds. See, these are the different birds and we have to write the correct name of these birds. See, we have to write the correct name of these birds. Okay. See, first picture. Which bird is this? See carefully student. Which bird is this? Anyone tell me the name of this bird? See carefully student. Tell me, hurry up. See. Yes, this bird is albatross. The spelling of albatross is L A L B A, albatross, T R O double S. See, the first bird is albatross. See the next picture student. See, which picture is this? Which bird is this? Yes, this bird is vulture. So what is the spelling of vulture? V U L, vul. Chur, T U R E. See, what is the spelling of vulture? Vul, V U L. Chur, T U R E. V U L T U R E, vulture. We have to write the correct spelling in this box. See the third picture student. See, which bird is this? Yes, this bird name is blackbird. So we have to write here black. What is the spelling of student? Black, B L A C K. The spelling of black is B L A C K, blackbird. B I R D, bird. See the fourth picture. See, which bird is this? Yes, this is the picture of dove bird. So we have to write here the dove, D O V E. This bird name is dove, D O V E. See, we have to arrange these words in the correct order. See, see the fifth one. Which bird is this? This bird name is falcon. Fal, F A L, falcon, C O N, falcon. Speak loudly with me. The bird name is falcon. Falcon, falcon. See the next picture student. Which bird is this? Yes, this is the picture of woodpecker. See, this bird name is woodpecker. So first we have to write the name of wood. Wood, W O D, woodpecker. P E, see student, P E C, see, P E C, कर, K-E-R. K-E-R. Woodpecker. See? W-O-O-D. Woodpecker. P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. See, student? The next bird. Which bird is this? Yes, this is the picture of owl. Owl means ullu. This bird name is owl. O-W-L. We have to write here owl. The correct spelling of owl. See the next bird. Tell me, student, what is the name of this bird? This bird is hawk. The name of this bird is hawk. H-A-W-K. See, this bird is hawk. See the next picture, student. Which bird is this? Everyone knows it. Everyone know it. Tell me, student, what is the name of this bird? Yes, this bird name is eagle. So what is the spelling of eagle? E-A-G-L-E. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This bird name is eagle. See, student, carefully. See, these are the different birds and we have to write the correct name of this bird in this box. See, student, carefully.